So today I'm here to share with you guys the HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid and storage pockets, guys. This is a leak-proof car organizer slash garbage can. Okay, now we've got a couple of trips coming up, and with the summer coming up and spring activities and all the fun things that I'm going to be kind of running out the door to do with my kids, I have been needing a car trash can for the longest time. Okay, so I actually just got it in the mail, and we're gonna go ahead and install it in the car. So I'm gonna share with you guys what it looks like after I've installed it in the car. But first, let me show you guys what you get when you receive this. Okay, so first of all, this is the trash can. Okay, and you'll get your trash can, which just to give you guys a look at what it looks like, right? The cool thing about this trash can that I really like, outside of the fact that obviously it's a trash can, is the fact that it's a multi-purposeful item, right? So you don't necessarily have to use this as a trash can. You can actually use this to hold other things. So they have compartments in the front and on the sides where you can actually place other items. So for instance, even if I use this as a trash can, I would still use these front and side areas specifically to carry certain things. I've got twins, and so there's always one child in each car seat, right? And so I can put their water bottles here on each side and any specifics right here in the front. But again, you can also use this bag for more than just trash. You don't have to necessarily use it as a trash bag. You can actually put other items in it. If you're needing to put some beverages in here, like, you know what I mean, bottled waters, things like that, you can put them in there as well, or anything, umbrellas, that type of thing. Okay, this is also a waterproof garbage can. Okay, so this literally is waterproof, so if you put something that might have a little bit of liquid on it, you should be okay. Okay, in addition to the fact that you've got a little strap that it comes with right here, so that you can place it either on the back of your chair, right? Then it would face the back seats, or you can also put this behind, or in front of, technically, your middle compartment, and have it facing the back as well, which is really the reason I got it. I wanted it to be something that my kids could put their trash in when they have their snacks, etc. Okay, so we've got our buckle right over here, and it closes like this. It also extends, okay, so you can obviously extend it to whatever you want it to be extended to. The top of the trash can looks like this, okay, so they can easily put whatever they need inside. It also zips as well, okay. You're also going to get a trash bag to place inside, which I thought was kind of a neat touch. And then these four little things right here, which is to help firm the sides, okay? So essentially you'd be putting these right here inside of here on either side, and that's going to make this stand out or stand up like this, okay? So it's going to provide that little sturdiness to your trash can, okay? There's also instructions as well, all right? So what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and put our trash can in the car. All right, guys, don't judge the inside floor of my car, okay? We got to vacuum it out, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like in the car. All right, so basically super easy to install, you guys. And then it came with two trash bags, actually, which I went ahead and placed it in here. The cool thing is you got these little snaps, and I did not do the best job of placing the trash bag in here where it's like perfect inside, but you can arrange it that way. I should have done it before I came out here, but you can actually put the snaps, you can actually attach the snaps or snap the trash bag in so that the trash bag stays in one spot, which is awesome, because when they're using this right here, you want to make sure that the trash bag isn't pushed down to the bottom and they're throwing their trash, and there could be liquid in the trash stuff that they throw in here, etc. So this kind of ensures that whatever it is they're going to throw in here is actually going in the bag and not in the actual trash can for another, possible mess later on. So anyway, I hope that you guys find this video helpful. I'm super excited about this. We've needed one of these in our car for a very long time, so I hope this video helps in making your decision.